Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App error code 400. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that we have to guarantee here or to check here is our internet connection. So if you're having internet connection problems, like if you're using Wi-Fi and your connection is really slow, then this is probably the reason why you are having this error. So a solution for this one is actually changing to a different one. So if you have mobile data, you could go ahead and use that. Or if you have access to your neighbor's Wi-Fi, you could go ahead and ask them if you could connect it. You can connect to it and basically use it for the meantime. Now, if that is not the issue and you have a proper or stable interconnection, well, the next thing that you should be checking here is you want to check if you have the latest updates or version for Cash App. So go ahead and open up Play Store here and see if there are any updates. Because sometimes applications on Play Store will not automatically be updated, so you have to manually update them sometimes. But yeah, so see if there are any updates and check if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next best thing that we can do right now is clear the temporary files for Cash App. So go ahead and press on hold on Cash App, go to App Info, and in here you want to go to click Clear Data. Just click on it, and from here you want to click on Clear Cache, and just click on OK. So what we just did here is we just cleared the temporary files, and from here you go ahead and see if that solves your issue, open up Cash App. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do here is basically just reinstalling Cash App. Sometimes reinstalling Cash App fixes a lot of issues whenever using it, so this is the final and last solution that you could do, which is basically reinstalling Cash App. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.